Hi everyone, welcome to Building Public with Jahid. Today is a day 20 of my 30 days challenge where I'm building a Christmas app and give it away to one of you who will build this further, or me continuing it and finishing and deploying it to iOS and Android. My name is Jahid, full-time vibe coder, building mobile apps. Today, we're gonna build a simple app to create and share animated and digital Christmas cards. So let's start building it together. Amazing. So here's my prompt. Build an app to create and share animated or digital Christmas cards. Let's give it a go. Yeah, so as I said, this is the 20th of my 30 days challenge where I'm building a simple Christmas app and give it away to one of you who will build it further, or it's me building it and deploying it to iOS and Android. It's just amazing. And we're, in we're finishing the second quarter of my challenge. So tomorrow is going to be the last one. So we have the last 10 days. And it's just going so amazing. Yeah, I just like feel good. And yeah, just we have built amazing apps, amazing Christmas apps, which we have given away to some of you who will build it further. And I think it's just amazing fun opportunity to, just create mobile apps and use this December, use Christmas as a nice excuse to build our dream apps. I mean, like not every app should be, serious. Not every app needs to be, very creative and like super like, problem solving. Some apps can be simply, Christmas vibe apps, all, creative fun apps. So we can use it even for a day or a week or a month. So some of these apps that we're building, it's only used for Christmas. But hey, remember, Christmas is the most important day and days of our lives. We spend with the family, with friends. We want to make memories. So why not to make apps for this amazing and special days? So this is Saturday, and I have this crazy Saturday energy. I went to the gym, did some workout. Cook myself lunch. Yeah, I'm super pumped to just build this uh, with you guys today, an app that we can actually create, animated digital cards for Christmas. Let me know if you have some ideas for the next 10 days you want me to build. But of course, feel free if you would like to join me in building in public. So just let's do it together. I would like to have someone next to me building than me doing it alone. And yeah, there's going to be amazing new content coming out in January. So please wait. Also, let me know what type of content do you like and what should I focus, especially in mobile app, because we are building amazing mobile apps with Natively, which is a vibe coding tool, lets you build mobile apps without knowing how to code. Because simply, I don't know how to code myself. Yeah, I mean, just for me, like when I talk about these things, I'm super hyped and I just have this crazy energy because I couldn't have imagined myself, building mobile apps 2 years ago. And now I can do it myself. It's just amazing. And every day is special. Every day I feel like a superhuman as like just human and, just like local, as a hero and just amazing feeling. And yeah, so everything is possible now. And we're waiting, for Natively to build and then we will see how our app looks like. Yeah, and that would be amazing. And here we can see the code. In case you know how to code, you can see and you can also edit the code here. But of course, we have nice, integration with Supabase, which is our backend. We can put, the API key and environment variables. We can, deploy the app to iOS, App Store, or Android Play Store. We can share the project with our friends, with others. Of course, we can duplicate the project to make a copy of it. And then we can also download the code as a zip file and then, code in our local coding environment, IDE. Yeah, so just now we're waiting and let's see how it will show up. What I'm gonna do, because we need a backend for this, so I'm gonna actually connect this with Supabase because we have some animated things. So let's try to do that. So I'm gonna connect with Supabase. And of course, I'm gonna solve this error that we have. I don't know coding, so I'm gonna just like talk with AI to make it work, make it solve. And yeah, I'm just gonna connect with the Supabase here. Yep, this is this. I'm gonna connect it with Networkify. I don't have any space with my database, so we just go here. And if we remember, as of yesterday, we had around 59 tables, if I remember correctly. Let's see. Yeah, oh, 61. Sorry, yeah. So these are all the tables from the previous projects that we had. Yeah, you can see it here. It will show up in a second. Yeah, here. So we did this. Amazing. Perfect. So I'm gonna fix this. Yeah, so it will show up. Yeah, hello again. I don't know that at some point, my recording stopped. I don't know when. So I just, started the new recording now. I hope, I will like walk you through because I don't know when it stop recording, and I hope that we will not have this issue again. Yeah, so I gave my prompt. So I want to, build an app to create and share, animated or Christmas or digital Christmas cards. And, we just build that. I connected to Supabase, but we haven't asked the AI to build a backend for us yet. So this is actually the simple, Christmas card generator or creator that I built it. So we just have the homepage here, the create part, which looks nice. We have the gallery here. We have the profile section. So I'm gonna actually connect the Supabase first, and then ask natively to build as a backend. So let's connect the Supabase and build the backend. I really hope that that we have the recordings because I was talking a lot, and yeah, I hope that I have it. But otherwise, yeah, we're just building, and this is a day 20 of my 30 challenge where I'm building a simple Christmas app and give it away to one of you, or me, continue building it and sharing with you all. I think yeah, December is the best time to make use of this time, and then build apps that we were dreaming of. So yeah, it's just super fun to do this, and yeah, this is what I'm doing. And I was thinking, yeah, to do it in public so you all see, and then you get motivated to build your own apps as well. And we're doing it all with natively, the vibe coding tool that lets you build mobile apps without knowing how to code. I don't know how to code, so I just feel super happy using it. So we have 61 tables, which is all from the other previous projects. So yeah, it's here. And when the new app tables will be added, then we'll see it on the expo. It will increase. I'm gonna try out to take the picture of this expo, the QR code, and then I want to see it how it looks on my mobile. So it should look much nicer. It's loading here. Let's see. Yeah, the app looks nice. So you can see it here. Yeah, actually quite good. I like it. And then we have the create part. We can create cards. Yeah, we have the gallery part with the profile part. So it looks actually nice on my phone. So I suggest you that you also check your apps on your mobile just to see everything is fine and everything looks good there. So yeah, we had 61. Now we have 64 tables. So 3 tables are added newly in a database. We can try to find them. If you can find them. Yeah, shared cards, Secret Santa. No, the cards is only. Yeah, so it's super hard to find them. So that's why I suggest you to only create, create separate project in Supabase, for every app that you have. That actually, is looking nice and good. Perfect. So it's built. And then I have the authentication here, login. So I'll try to log in on my phone or from my phone. Let's do this. Yeah, it looks good. I'm here inside. Nice. So what I'm gonna say next is that I'm gonna prompt about the design. Uh, let's make the design UI a bit nicer and Christmas vibe. Let's go. Let's give it a go. So yeah, let's make it the nice design. But also here, you can either you find a design that you like and then copy that, or you can actually make your own design on Figma and then try to give it to natively. So natively is really good at copying the same design as you have on Figma and here. And of course, you can use Visual Editor to edit the visuals, the design. Yeah, it's really up to you how do you want to approach it. Yep, I think it's getting nicer. It's still working. You just have to give it time and then see what's the final output, how it will look like in the end. Yeah, and like let me know, what are you building? What's your dream app? If you want me to build or test it out, but also if you like to join me, just come and let's build it together. So my simple goal of doing these videos is like really communicating the idea that it's so easy to build mobile apps. You just have to take the action. You just have to take the first step, and then it's all good. And I'm happy to help. I'm happy to share whatever I know because I don't know coding, so I'm really, in the same level of coding and vibe coding as you. So let's just, empower each other. Let's just work together and build great apps, great technology together. So yeah, that's like simply why I'm doing this videos and challenges. Everyone, on the weekend, late night, early morning, afternoon, whatever. So I'm so committed because deep in my heart, I know that this work will pay off in a sense that you all will be amazing builders. You all will have amazing apps that solves not only your problem but others that they need such app. So I really hope that you're taking an action, just like simply by building your apps that you like. So, and this is why I'm doing this also. If you have some comments or suggestions, please let me know. I'm gonna share this video on natively this channel, not on my own personal channel. So yeah, just let me know how you like it, and then if you have some ideas for the next 10 days, please let me know. Happy to build things together, and let's have fun, and also bring and build great things, great apps together. That's simply the idea. Nice. So we can choose, the classic raid, winter, wonderland, forest one. Of course, the size of the font. We can change the boldness, whatever days we can save, we can share the cart. So yeah, it can do whatever we want. So this is the simple design that we have. I wait for the building part to be finished, but it should look amazing. Yes. Okay. I mean, it's simple. We can do a better job. We can actually try to ask, and then give a direct and more clear design instruction to natively to build the app for us. But this is it. Yeah, this is how our app looks like. This is the homepage. This, where we are creating the cards. This is the gallery, and this is, of course, we have to sign up to have to see the gallery. What's our saved. So thanks a lot for watching me, and yeah, please let me know. What do you think about this challenge? If you want me to build something, let me know. I will build. But this is the 20th of my 30 days challenge where I'm building simple Christmas app and give it away to one of you who will build it further or me continuing it. This is Jahid Vibe Coding Mobile Apps with you. So thanks a lot. Have a nice Saturday and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Cheers.